In this video, I will show you how to recover my eyes only deleted photos on Snapchat. So to get started, go ahead and open Snapchat on your device and make sure that you're signed in into your account where you want to recover your my eyes only deleted photos. Head over to your profile section, and in here, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen to be able to get redirected into the settings section. And here, go ahead and scroll down and look for the help center section. Now, once you scroll down, you'll be able to find that under the support and feedback section. So go ahead and scroll down from here, and you'll be able to find this Help Center tab. Click on the Help Center tab, and on the Help Center tab, you'll be able to find all of the answers to your questions and solutions to your problems. So in here, you can go ahead and search for My Eyes Only in this section to be able to find all of the articles that actually mentions the My Eyes Only problems, and go ahead and hit on the enter button to search for this. And if you cannot find that specific article that actually answers the questions that you have, you can simply search for Contact Us on this section, and you'll be able to find the Contact Us section, such as the article of How Do I Contact Snapstar Support. So click on that, and here you'll be able to find a link that will allow you to get redirected into the ticket section of Snapchat. So in here, go ahead and click on this form button, and that will redirect you into a ticket support form. In here, you'll need to enter all of the required information along with the problem that you're encountering, and you'll receive a response from Snapchat once they have an available customer support. And that is how you can simply recover My Eyes Only photos on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.